The 2025 Toyota 4Runner has broken cover in the USA, and the all-new off-road SUV is generating a lot of conversation, much of it positive thanks to its blocky new look with military undertones. But the big news is it's likely this vehicle will replace the Toyota Fortuner in Australia and Asia, given it's built in Japan and not in the USA. But more on that later. Arriving in North American Toyota showrooms later in 2024, the rugged new 7-seat family SUV is based on the same TNGA F ladder frame platform as the 300 series Land Cruiser and new 250 series Prado, as well as the US market Sequoia and Tundra pickup and the Lexus LX and new GX, so it should be super capable off-road. Closely related to the US market Toyota Tacoma pickup truck, but with a slightly shorter wheelbase, it rides on coil springs fore and aft and is offered in 4x2 and 4x4 configurations, the latter offered with part-time and full-time four-wheel drive systems. Propulsion comes from a 4-cylinder turbo-petrol engine in base models and a muscled-up hybrid version that pumps out more power and torque than the current Toyota Fortuner's turbo-diesel power plant. Power reaches the wheels via an 8-speed automatic transmission, not a 10-speed like the Land Cruiser and Tundra. And adventurous buyers will be stoked that all 4x4 models come with a low-range transfer case and an auto-locking rear diff for slow-speed rock climbing and more intense off-roading. Trailhunter and TRD models score proper manually locking rear diffs for hardcore mud plugging, and the former even gets Aussie-developed Old Man Emu shocks and an ARB roof rack. Support systems for the 4x4 models include Toyota's multi-terrain select system, which works in both high and low range and should give the vehicle broader scope in the rough stuff. Will it be more capable off-road than the tried and tested Fortuner, especially without a diesel donk? That is the burning question. Toyota has modernised the interior with plenty of digital screens, including a big 14-inch central touchscreen on top-spec models, and that includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Digital instrument panels are included on most models, and top-spec variants even get a premium JBL stereo with a removable Bluetooth speaker. There's loads of different seat upholstery options, including hard-wearing, easy-cleaning synthetic materials on TRD models, and more luxurious finishes for premium versions. A powered rear tailgate window improves versatility, and Toyota has crammed all the latest safety features into the rugged 4Runner as well. Will the new Toyota 4Runner make the journey down under? We asked Toyota Australia that question, and although it wouldn't be drawn on specifics, saying that it had no announcements to make on the 4Runner for Australia, it did confirm that it is continually studying the market for new opportunities to offer exciting new products to Australian customers. And given the popularity of the Prado, Land Cruiser, GX and LX in Australia, where the new Tundra and Hilux pickups are expected to arrive in 2025, it's almost certain that this will replace the Thai-built Fortuner in the Aussie market. The Toyota 4Runner nameplate hasn't been seen in Toyota Australia showrooms for 15 years. But when it comes to the replacement for the slow-selling Fortuner, there's every chance that could change too.